Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Hyundai Tucson 1.6 GDI SE Navigation. This car's finished in Moonrock Pearl metallic paint. It's got the chrome grille, LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, satin silver roof rails, 17-inch alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with light grey centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Centre armrests with twin cup holders. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. And you've got the 12 volt USB plug-in point for access for the rear passengers. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. So into the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. "12-volt plug-in for accessories. And this car is equipped with a space saver spare wheel. Moving round now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round. Electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the controls for the lane departure, and you can turn off the traction control. Centre armrest with internal storage box, twin cup holders, so this car's done 32,485 miles. With a 6-speed gearbox. The centre console you've got the controls to, you can change the steering mode from normal to sport, downhill brake assist, you can deactivate the stop start, and you can turn off the parking sensors. USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-ins for accessories, and you've got dual climate control. Then up to the media system. So it's the touchscreen media system into the home page. So on the radio side you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations. Full screen navigation. Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. And you've also got hands-free phone operation. View from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. An all menus page. Automatic headlamps, rain sensitive wipers, controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. On the other side you've got the control for the cruise control and speed limiter. Moving back outside the car again. So moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel, Okay, hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.